Here's our alternate way of looking at problem number 915. We have a 3 kilogram object moving in the positive x direction, has a one-dimensional elastic collision with a 5 kilogram object initially at rest. After the collision, the 5 kilogram object has a velocity of 6 meters per second in the positive x direction. What was the initial speed of the 3 kilogram object? Again, our key here is that this collision is elastic. And we have formulas only for elastic collisions that will give us the final velocities of the two combatants based on their initial velocities. In particular, V1 final is going to equal mass 1 minus mass 2 over mass 1 plus mass 2 times V1 initial plus 2 mass 2 over mass 1 plus mass 2, V2 initial. And also, we would have that V2 final is equal to 2 mass 1 over mass 1 plus mass 2, V1 initial plus mass 2 minus mass 1 over mass 1 plus mass 2, V2 initial. In this case, the 5 kilogram object is initially at rest, so both of these terms for these equations would be out, and we really are only concerning ourselves with the first parts of these two equations. Also, we are given the final velocity of mass 2 as being 6 meters per second, so we're going to focus in, based on that, on this second equation that has the final velocity of mass 2. So, looking at this, we have that the final velocity of mass 2, which is 6, is equal to 2 times mass 1, which is 3, over mass 1, 3, plus mass 2, which is 5, times V1 initial. We can solve this for V1 initial. In other words, V1 initial is going to equal 6 times 8 divided by 2 times 3, which is 6. 6's cancel out, and we get 8 meters per second. So based on this method, using these formulas, we find that the initial velocity of the 3 kilogram object was 8 meters per second. Just an alternate way of solving the same problem of 915.